Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my channel Munibah's Tech. Let's start the video. Today we will discuss questions from 31 to 50 from the GAD subject past paper of 2020. Our question 31 is: particle is constrained to move on the surface of a sphere of radius r near the Earth's surface. Find the Lagrangian in spherical coordinates. First we check all the options, and always remember that the Lagrangian for spherical coordinates is always, you can say, the mgr cos theta factor always added in this situation. So the option C is correct. Now the next question 32 is: according to the Fourier's law of heat conduction, relationship between heat flux and the temperature U is. We are noticing that the phi of x, the flux is changing with respect to the time. So you can check the options where the temperature is changing with respect to time. The option D is correct one. Question number 33 is: the degree of the differential equation of which y square is equal to 4a into x plus a is a solution. Always the degree is the highest power, so degree is 2. Question number 34. The integrating factor of the differential equation dy over dx plus f of x of y is equal to g of x depends upon. Always remember the integrating factor is of the term with respect to which is written with y. So here in the given differential equation only f of x the required integrating factor. Question 35 is the differential equation. We already discussed that it's Legendre's equation. You can check my previous video for this equation. Question number 36, the wave equation. Double derivative of u with respect to t is equal to c square u, or partial derivative with respect to x is. We also discussed this question in our previous video, that this is hyperbola equation. So the option C is correct one. 37, the partial differential equation is, it is basically the non-partial differential equation. We discussed the question number 38 and 39. We first discussed question 39. The partial differential equation is, you check the given PDE, and this is basically the Laplace equation. Now our question 38 is the differential equation double derivative of y minus 25y equals to 0 has solution. Basically the option D is correct. We after a few seconds check its solution. We solve this equation by auxiliary equation. Now you can check its solution, that double derivative of y minus 25y equals to 0. Its auxiliary equation is m square minus 25 equals to 0 and m is equal to plus minus of 5. Now you put it in the general solution, that is y is equal to c1 e power m1 of x plus c2 e power m2 of x. Question number 40. If C is the circle in the complex plane whose equation is z, absolute value of z is equal to pi, oriented counterclockwise, found the value of the integral. I have solved this question and found that the option B is correct, but you can verify this one. Question 41. Any inner product of the tensor is a tensor of the rank. So here we have to find the rank. Its solution is here. You solve it step by step by tensor. We first take the inner product of the given tensor, and still at the end we have 3 remaining values. So we can say the rank of these tensor products is 3. Question 44. A unit vector perpendicular to the plane determined by the points. You can check the given points 0, minus 2 of 1 and 1, minus 1, minus 2 and minus 1, 1 of 0. Option D is correct one. Now we check its solution. We name the 3 vectors P, Q and R. We first check the projection of P upon Q, and after that P on R, that we check one by one. And to find the required vector, we have to take the cross product of both of these projection vector, and we can solve it as we found the determinant in our mathematical calculations I, j, k, and after putting these values we get the vector is 8i plus 4j plus 4k. Now the formula for unit vector is the vector we found and its magnitude over its magnitude. The vector and its magnitude, the option D was correct. Question 45, you people can notice this question. I didn't find the solution of this question. If any one of you found, then please let me know about it. Question 46, the slope of the line through the points A of 2 and 3, B is. We know that the slope of line is y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2, which is m is equal to. So I put the values of y1 and y2, x1 and x2, and we get the answer C. Question 47, if B is the length or perpendicular from the origin to the line with intercepts A and B on axis, then we know that for this perpendicular, P is the perpendicular to the origin, so the option D is correct. 1 over P square equal to 1 over A square plus 1 over B square. Question 48, the directrix of the parabola y square equals to minus 8x is, option B is correct. Now we check its solution. For vertex, we check always vertex we check at origin 0, 0, and the focus is at the point minus 2, 0, and the equation of the directrix line is x is equal to 2, or we can write it as x minus 2 equals to 0. Question 49, for any complex number z, the minimum value of absolute value of z plus z minus 1 is, we have to check the minimum value. So the minimum value of this question is 1. Question 50, if the derivative exists at all the points z of a region R, then f of z is said to be continuous in R. I forgot to discuss about question 42 and 43. You check the integral can be expressed as, the option A is correct. Now the question 43 is, if a stone is thrown in a pool of water and ripples are produced, then this phenomena is best explained with the help of, D is correct. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you like my video, then thumbs up. Take care. Allah Hafiz.